Now to release the seat on the Magnum, you need to come underneath on the left hand side, and there's a quick release lever which we open there. You can see the 4 different height settings for the seat depending on what suits the rider. You then come to the rear of the trike, and on the seat stays you'll see there's a quick release on the right, one on the left. Lift the seat up till they come out, and then the quick release, the seat will come out of there as well. There's the quick release. There's how the seat looks underneath. You can see the 4 different heights there. To replace the seat, pick which height you'd like to set it on, sit it over the quick release, lower the seat back. That's sitting in the correct spot now. To reattach the seat, pivot it up on the front, line the seat stays up, like so they line up in there, and then you just lower it to what height suits you. Lock the quick release, lock the other quick release. So once they're in and your seat height's set, lock the quick release. Then you come back, this is important, check that the quick release is in the correct setting and sitting in there. Close the quick release. Now if it feels too loose, on the other side you just tighten up the nut till it gets to about the correct tension with half a turn in, which is about there, and that's the seat back on.